You know that feeling when a sports car doesn't just impress you, it dares you. That's exactly what the all-new Toyota Supra brings to the table. This isn't just a fast car, it's a statement. Toyota didn't upgrade the Supra, they unleashed it. The moment you see the new Supra, you instantly know it's built for one purpose: to dominate every road it touches. At first glance, the new Supra looks lower, wider, and angrier than ever. Those sharp LED headlights almost feel alive, like they're locking onto the asphalt ahead. The long hood, deep curves, and aggressive air intakes are all designed for one thing: speed. It doesn't look aerodynamic, it is aerodynamic. Every line has a job, every angle has meaning, and the whole design screams performance without even trying. Toyota didn't want the Supra to blend in. They wanted it to look like it's moving even when it's standing still. But the magic really starts when you get under the hood. Toyota has brought in a refined twin-turbo power unit that delivers pure, instant punch. Tap the accelerator and you feel that surge, not a delay, not a gentle push, a real, alive burst of power that pulls you forward like a slingshot. The engine sound, smooth, sharp, and unmistakably Supra. It's not loud just to be loud. It's tuned like a performance instrument. Every rev feels intentional. Every shift feels precise. Whether you're flying down a highway or carving through tight corners, the Supra keeps asking for more. And this time, Toyota didn't just go for raw power, they went for balance. The suspension has been reworked to give you that rare mix of stiffness and control without punishing you. You feel the road, but you don't fight it. The steering is sharper, quicker, almost telepathic turn, and the Supra follows instantly. This is the kind of driving experience that makes you smile without meaning to. Whether you're drifting, cruising, or pushing the limit, the Supra stays planted, focused, and incredibly fun. Step inside, and the Supra surprises you again. You expect a race car interior, but this feels premium, modern, and driver-focused. The cockpit wraps around you. The new digital cluster gives you everything you need, clean and sharp. The touchscreen is fast, the layout feels futuristic, and even the materials feel more high-end than before. The seats hug you in all the right ways, supportive enough for hard turns, comfortable enough for long drives. Toyota knew this wasn't just about performance. It was about making a car you never want to step out of. The technology upgrades are big too. A smoother infotainment system, better connectivity, improved sound system, wireless phone integration, and smarter sensors. Everything just works together. Toyota even improved safety features so the Supra is not just fast, but smarter on the road. Adaptive cruise, lane assistance, collision prevention, all tuned to support hyper-performance driving without getting in your way. Now the price. Toyota hasn't locked the final number yet, but this Supra will definitely sit in the premium bracket. Something around $55,000 to $60,000.